What's up, guys? Today we're going to find out how well the Silverado runs untuned. It is a cammed 5.3 if for some reason you didn't read the title. We did get a quick start after the engine was installed. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. Actually, I do have a playlist that I did just set up of the entire engine build, and I do promise it does get better. But with that being said, today we're going to go ahead and get it started up. I'll get a quick video of the cold start. We'll get her up to temp, get her out of the shop, and then see how well she does on the road. Hopefully we make it to the road. I don't know how she's going to act. I haven't got to see it run at operating temperature, so we'll find out together.
So I almost freaked out for a second. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I heard a loud tapping, and it's actually just the idler pulley tapping right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I was doing it earlier. Yeah, if you guys hear it tapping, nothing's wrong internally. It's just that tapping. Of course, now it's not going to do it. Alright, so after I pulled her out of the shop, it took a little bit. She kept dying on me. So I had to hold her at idle for a little while, and then I just let off. And she's idling on her own.
I don't know if you guys could hear me or not when we were walking out there, but I did have to keep, because she kept falling on her face trying to get her, the truck out of the shop. So eventually I got it going. Slowly let off the gas in increments, and then just held her. I think it's at 500 right now, and then just held it there for a little bit, let off all the way, and she's just idling on her own right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab the GoPro, and then God, that sounds so good. I don't know if you guys can hear it right now, but I'm gonna grab the GoPro and hopefully we can get out on the street. I'm not gonna go out onto the main street, I don't think, right now, because, well, the tabs are expired and she kept dying. So I think we're just gonna get out on this little back road over here and then probably call that good for right now.
All right, she's up to temp. I still don't have any check engine light, so let's see here. Oh, that was short-lived. I keep looking for the clutch to push in. Let's see if we can turn around here. Yeah, the only reason she's alive is because I'm keeping the gas on. I don't know if we're going to be able to turn around. stall. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take her out onto the street. Oh, she died. Yeah, we're not taking her out on the street. So it does all right as long as you keep, damn it. It does all right as long as you keep your foot in her and keep her going. Yeah, I don't want to risk taking it out on the street. Whoa. Alright. See if she'll just idle. Nope. I'll show you guys what I had to do. Just keep her at idle. Slowly let off. And we're off. Just one more clip of her idling, because why not? Well, that answers that question, boys. So she does run, but not very well. That's exactly what I was expecting. I knew that I was gonna have to keep giving her gas to keep her alive. So yeah, I'm just excited that she's out on the road. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Actually, we've all been waiting for this for a very long time. Now, there's still no check engine light, which I think is crazy. Like, I don't know how there's no check engine light, but I did just talk to my buddy Tony. He will be tuning it actually later today. And he said that he doesn't need a check engine light to tune it. I don't, for some reason I thought like maybe just see what's wrong with it, but the computer, we can go in there and mess with the field trims and all that. So we're gonna do that later today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We found out what she acted like on the road. I know it wasn't super eventful, but at least it gives you guys a little idea of what to expect. So yeah, I don't really recommend taking it out on the road till it's tuned. So but as always, thank you guys and have a great day.